When we first looked in this development, we were looking for a home that didn't have a pool.
We came from a home a little bit north of here that had been a model, and so we had no say in the type of pool that was in it. It was there. And so this gave us an opportunity to put our mark on the home. Without having a pool, we could pick what we wanted. And we're so happy with American Pools. They gave us so many great ideas, and we're so accommodating with everything that they helped us with.
When we went to American Pools and Spas, we noticed how they had this huge building with actually some pool designs outside as well as a full-size pool inside their main building, and we were able to get a good appreciation of what building a pool and what it's going to look like. With their demo models, we were able to see the exact materials that they would be using and get a better feel for what we really wanted.
We love this pool. We had so many things available to look at American Pools and Spa. The tiles they had on display, I think we chose some of the tiles they had on display. We love the bottom color that we put in that brings out the blue in the water, and then the water features that we put in that spout, the bowls spout water, and we have a fall that comes out of the back wall. And I love the shallow portion here, and it's just the best thing we could have done. We're so very happy with the project and the way they handled it.
American Pools and Spas were top-notch. They were right on the money. Pretty much pushed things along as quickly as they could, and it's a lot of work, but it was well worth it. Well, this is the life, and it's the American dream. This is what you work hard for all your life, is be able to put together something like this, enjoy, and we do every day. If not in the pool, one of us is in the hot tub, and this is what it's all about.